Quran. How did Allah define dunya in the Quran? Any way you can think of, and inshallah, Allah will make us remember the ayah. What did Allah describe dunya? Exactly, that's the famous ayah of Surah Al-Hadid. It's probably one of the most comprehensive description of dunya is in Surah Al-Hadid. اعلموا, know, أنما مثل الحياة الدنيا, the parable of this dunya, life, الحياة الدنيا, the lower life, the lower or the obvious life you are living on, the near life. إنما مثل الحياة الدنيا, right? What? اعلموا, actually, no, not مثل. اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو. لعب is a play. Lahu is distraction. This is how they describe it. So when the child is playing, that's playing. When the child is playing and getting distracted from what he should do, that's lahu. So إنما الحياة الدنيا اعلموا, and Allah is saying is an order. No, meaning learn this, remind yourself of this, teach your children this, teach yourself first. اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو. Play, amusement, distraction. True or false? And إنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة. Zina, it's beauty. Don't tell me life is not good. Don't tell me life is not beautiful. Don't tell me having a nice children is not good. Having a good car, looking good, wearing nice. Zina, beauty. So Allah is describing it as it is. He didn't put it low yet. He'll put it low afterward, but for now. إنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة. Beauty وتكاثر بينكم في الأموال والأولاد. It